Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix live not showing on Instagram. So you want to actually go live on Instagram, but you can't actually find the option for it to go live. So what you need to do is you need to update your Instagram app first of all. So let's go to update my Instagram app. Go to your Play Store, and as you can see, mine is installing already because I'm trying to update it. So you just have to wait for it to load up and you open it. So this is where it's actually supposed to appear. Yeah, Instagram. Okay, it's been updated. So right here it has already updated. So I just have to open it, and the next thing I'm going to do, you click below your screen on profile, right, like this, and you need to click on plus sign right here, and as this is where you are supposed to see the live option. But if you are not seeing it, sometimes it might be as a result of bug issues. So you just have to go to your settings and go to your settings just like this, and you click on apps and you search for Instagram just like this, and click on storage right here. So that you just have to clear up your cache and click on cache, and you can see right here below my screen, clean cache. So you just clean it and you clean your data as well. Sometimes you have to just clean your data, and that's it, and you can go back to it again. So you go back to it like this, and it might just be lucky, or sometimes it might not be available on your region. So this is actually how to fix it. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.